Hey, what's up, Zilliqa holders? So after a very long time, I cannot tell you this, my brothers, to can Zilliqa is good for investment in June or not, my brother, because you can see here Zilliqa is completely face down. So therefore, a lot of holders, especially new investor, they cannot understand can this coin is give you a profit in this month or not, my brother. So first of all, we see the update, and second, my friend, we predicate this coin, we do technical analysis, we check out the last update, and after that, my friend, I share my opinion to sell, hold, or buy, invest more or not, my brother. Is this coin is good for investment or not? Let's see, my brother. First of all, the last 24-hour chart is on the screen, and this chart, my friends, completely show you to in the last 24-hour this coin fails down very fastly, minus 6.16%. this coin price is decreased now. So it's mean, my brothers, to this coin is fails down in the same time, but absolutely, my friend, you know, to after fail every cryptocurrency take a very huge jump now. So therefore, my friend, I know, my brothers, to Zilliqa is also take a very huge jump now. So I am 100% sure, my brothers, to yesterday they will give you a profit now. So if, my friend, I give you guarantee, so then why you are waiting, my brother? This time absolutely the condition is going very critical, because, my brother, you can see here the last 3 days also they fails down, but absolutely you can see here after this fail they also take a very huge jump now. So it's mean, my brothers, to after this fail they also take a very huge jump now. So I just share my opinion, my brother, and absolutely my experience in a crypto market. So kindly, if you follow this, then absolutely you never lost, and they will give you a good profit now. But please research personally, kindly research personally, because this is not a financial video. If you are lost, then absolutely every stake channel, my friends, will cannot, my friends, tell you this to you go now invest now. So please remember to research personally. Thanks for watching, Zilliqa holder. Hope you understand. Please remember to like this video, and the giveaway is also coming soon of Zilliqa 10,000 subscriber. Our channel is complete now, so I make special video for giveaway, but kindly you need to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification.